Right, so we've got Just Skate and we've got some jeans. And it'd be great to have a logo. So again, File and Open. Go to another folder. Open Skater Boy. And I've got logo 1 PNG. Open that, and this will be in your resource files at the side. With the layer selected, you right click and then choose Duplicate Layer from the list that pops up. And send that layer to Photo Montage and click OK. You can close that down. And there's the skater logo there. And again, we can resize it, edit, transform, and scale. Or we can then Command and T on a Mac or Control and T on a PC. One thing I didn't mention, typically in Photoshop 2018, this little chain at the top here is not automatically ticked. So you should make sure that this is selected. This is already selected. So I'll just show you. See, when it's not selected, I can just squish it out of shape. And that we don't want to do that. So I'm going to bring it back and reselect it. See, whatever I do now, it keeps the same aspect to ratio, the same shape. So let's bring the skater boy down.